My name is Ohad Karnieli. I'm the founder and CEO of Adva Biotechnology. Adva Biotechnology was established a few years ago with a goal of granting advanced therapies to patients. And the way we do it is by developing and now selling to our partners a manufacturing platform that is enabled by AI and metabolic sensing, and really is the next step of manufacturing, and next generation manufacturing that will enable these unbelievable therapies to patients that need. Right. So I'll start from the end. The difference between revolution and evolution is the gradual steps. So revolution is a major change, a game changer, changing the whole arena that we're playing in. Whereas evolution is gradual changes. So if we look at automation, and we all understand that to get that cell therapies to patients, we need to automate. Replacing the scientist by a robot, by a hand, a robotic hand, is not evolutionary. It's not revolutionary, it is evolutionary. It's only stepwise. We need to do something that will change the whole thing. And that means we need to replace not only his hand, but his brain. Because the thing here is the brain. And that's where the AI and sensing has to come in. So autologous manufacturing, the main challenge that we have is not really the manufacturing itself, but the fact that there's donor-to-donor variation. And in order to do the repeatable processes that we need to do in manufacturing, we need a scientist to take a decision because each patient's cells is different. Therefore, the only way to really automate it is by using that type of sensing. So we need sensors that will tell us what's happening in the culture and will react to that change. And only when we have that, we can really revolutionize this industry. Okay, so GMP, by definition, is good manufacturing procedures, is usually regarded as we'll do the same again and again and again. But as I said earlier, the problem with autologous cell therapies is that it's different between patient to patient, and you need to take a decision. Now, if it's done automatically, and you're sensing, and you're giving the cells the best environment that you can, and you're reacting to the way the cells are reacting. So if cells are now consuming more oxygen, you feed them with the needed oxygen. If they're consuming less, there's no need to overfeed them. It's even bad in a sense. So if we could control the environment and adapt it to what the cells really need, by that, we would get a better outcome. That better outcome means quality. In the terms of release by exception, is because we're controlling everything and we know exactly what's happening. And if we put borders, then if everything went well, you can release it. If there's a problem, it will let you know. So instead of going through the whole batch record and looking for the issue, it says everything is okay except XYZ, and by that you release. As we said, the main limiting factor for manufacturing autologous therapies are the scientists behind it. If we can replace them with a device that could take the decisions, that could bring the cells in high quality, then automation advantages and advantages of scale kick in. Once that happens, the pricing could be reduced and we can democratize cell therapies and really grant them to patients. And that's the idea. So not just automating, but smart automation that will help you grant some therapies to patients. So for years, I've been going to this specific conference when it started at DC, and now when it's in Miami, of course. I think it's one of the best ones because it really brings in both industry, academia, and everyone together. We have several interests there. I'm going to give a talk about metabolic sensors and show how the Adva X3 utilizes AI metabolic sensors to get that good outcome that we talked about. I'm going to be part of panels, 2 different panels, talking about manufacturing and about decentralizing, so really bringing it to patients. And we're going to have a lovely beach hut booth everybody is invited to see the device, to see the team, and have some fun with us.